Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Asyim Nayawangsa. Here I will martabak keju and coklat. Martabak keju and coklat is a delicious food from Lebak Hiu, Indonesia. It has sweet taste and always make their consumer happy to eat it. Every papa loves martabak keju and coklat, but how to make martabak keju and coklat? It's so easy and you can try it in your home. Wanna try? Let's check this out. Next, heat the pan and pour the ingredients in top of the pan. After that, hack a sisal in a pan using spoon and it's then while in a pan counter. Chuck this until down. Spread with chocolate and cheese. Close the ingredients. Leave and spread with butter, sewing with raised cheese and add milk. Ready to serve it. So, that about how to make martabak keju and coklat. Happy trying. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.